Hey, it's Mike here with AutoAnything.com. Today we're going to take a closer look at Camber Fabrications rock sliders by MBRP. The first thing that you may have noticed is that these come in a modular two-piece design. Now, OCF planned that to make them easier to ship and easier to get to you. Other rock sliders need to be loaded up onto a pallet and shipped freight. And not only is it slow, but it can damage the rock sliders. By shipping them this way, not only are you protecting the powder-coated finish, but they're going to arrive much more quickly to you. Now, to compensate for that two-piece design, OCF has really thought out the design of the rock slider. There's a slip joint when you connect the two, and there's no sacrifice in strength because of this. These are a 1 3/4 inch 120 wall steel tube with fully welded 3/16 steel brackets. So with all of that combined, there is no sacrifice in strength. OCF's rock sliders are a completely bolt-on design. That means no cutting, no drilling, no welding is required. They come in at just under 50 pounds per side, meaning that they're heavy enough to protect your ride without adding too much weight. Being frame mounted, these are real deal rock sliders. They're not your everyday Nerf bars or side steps. These are strong enough to be used with a high lift jack or banged up against whatever the trail has to throw at you. The flare or kick out at the end, that also helps push you away from that rock that you're sliding against, further adding protection to your ride. Camber Fabrications rock sliders by MBRP start at $7.99 for the pair, and they come complete with all the mounting hardware and instructions. Get yours today at AutoAnything.com.